Andrew left. Damn. Yeah. Ugh. Hopefully the stream isn't freezing on people, because I know that's been happening a lot recently. And then I know today for me, and yesterday, I was trying to watch streams that would freeze every now and then. So, hopefully it gets too bad, just let me know. And I will fix the problem. Awesome, no problem. I like having no issues, which is good, very, very good. And for those who are just watching, wondering why I'm still in the town, I'm waiting for my buddies to get back, so we can go back to playing and whatnot. So I figured I'd just run around, chit chat with my peeps, see how they're doing. So, yeah. Yo, peeps.
Don't take my leg.
Some of the background stuff.
Don't take my leg. Please, don't take my leg. Captain Hill, I'm sorry.
Hello.
Hello. Your friend went to go eat dinner.
Okay.
So right now I'm just messing with my skills and stuff. Yeah, I think I might do that too, Chilliams, is mess around with different builds and stuff like that, see what I like.
I like McSpinny.
I have a spinny too.
Ugh.
Yeah. With October slowly coming, I know for a fact that I'm going to start doing every Friday, if I can, start doing horror games as much as I can. I know a friend of mine's going to let me borrow Until Dawn on the PS4, so I got to get that from her and then play that. Five Nights at Freddy's games are definitely going to be happening. I think I want to be like maybe one or two each Friday, or just see how it fits. Yeah, I got some horror games in my library I'm gonna play, and I think I got some on my PS4 as well. Yeah, horror games. My first game actually ever streamed besides Bloodborne on my when I got the PC was Outlast. So I'm probably gonna redo that. I'm definitely gonna do the DLC. I'll probably do the DLC before the game. I'm not sure yet because I've already beaten Outlast. But for those who haven't seen it, I might do that again. Not sure yet. Still trying to figure that all out. And also, I'm open to suggestions of people from games. Don't do the FNAF games, Clarence? Why?
Because they're silly poo-poo.
Well, you just don't like them in general, Brett.
Silly poo-poo is what they are. Boy.
Boy! You started a bounty?
I just went to this place and kill people.
Teleport to you.
See, this is my favorite ability. Ready? My entire build is around this. Ready? Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Oh, Lord.
What are you waiting on? Let's go. Dear
Yeah.
Lord.
We're on Torment. Look what Torment we're on, Brett.
Good baby. Let's go to the first act. I just went straight to the
Oh,
third.
he's here. Hello.
Shut up.
Did you revive it? You did revive your corpse, did you?
I went back to the place we were at. That was
I'm just gonna hang out right here.
spooky.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Bounties?
Nothing.
Brett started a bounty thinking we could kill stuff, and we
Shut-
obviously couldn't.
Shut up. I didn't do anything. That was
It's-
him.
Torment 6.
I knew that.
That's,
I knew that.
Yeah, I'll ask Stemmer about that, Clarence. And then Dead Space 1 and 2, I actually would love to play those, but I don't have them on Steam. So if somehow Steam does a sale, I will definitely play them.
I've become stronger.
Another thing I want to do is, if it's allowed, is stream Accept It.
come hither.
Do I accept it, or do I come to
Yes. Or else you have to accept it or you don't get XP.
you? Ah,
You
Yeah.
can literally just sit in a corner.
alright. We'll sit in a corner.
Is it,
Do we get to watch a pretty
will-
cutscene?
Oh,
Hi.
shit!
You made fart gas.
There you go.
I didn't get... Damn! Look at all that.
You made fart gas. He looks pretty.
Alright, now we go back to town.
Yes.
I need to go back.
But yeah, I really want to play Dead Space 1 and 2. Another thing I want to do, like I was saying, is if it's allowed, play the Stick of Truth. But I don't know if it's allowed. I don't know if it's okay for us to do that on Steam or on Twitch. But I've seen people play it, so I guess it's okay.
I wouldn't worry. All around the bay.
Okay, I made a rift.
Going to the Rift.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
I have a stick.
Be proud of your stick.
Is it-
This is my
Is it-
favorite
is it
ability
hard?
in the entire game.
There's an ability, there's a passive or something I think that you get, or an add-on to that ability that hurls tornadoes out of that.
Yeah, yeah. I like the one that you heal. That way I can just do it forever and I never have to stop.
But damage.
Yep. But no.
Okay,
That's
so
not
people,
the right way.
do Stick of Truth and stuff. Okay, cool. Yeah.
You said doo-doo.
I feel more
All right.
powerful.
I shall definitely invest. All I need to do is talk to Brett and see if he can game share his library with me, so I can play that game. if he still has it, because it shows up in my list, but it's only through his.
If you guys press tab, you'll be able to see if there's legendaries or set item drops.
Yeah, I got the map open right now.
Ah, I'm big. Look at me.
Holy
I
crap!
have
Look
no
at you.
control now.
No, I can spin more. Big spooky monster. Look at me. Oh. And
Legendary ring. Nice.
I see a legendary. Should I run for it, or just wait till you finish killing stuff?
I did not clear really,
Okay.
so if you're going for it, it's a suicide mission.
All right, I'll wait.
suicide mission!
I'm on the next level, by the way.
Don't tell me what to do with my life.
I'm gonna be good and
Search
teleport.
for that which I please.
Okay, so I'll definitely.
Oh,
do that.
Jesus!
Brett died.
There are these worms. Oh, Jesus.
You need help?
Nope, I froze them. Oh, but then there were tiny bugs.
Yeah, so Stick of
we're-
Truth is gonna happen whenever I can get a hold of it, and then horror games as well. So that's what it's gonna be like for the month of October. Of course, still Dark Souls 2 with Tanner if we still do that on Wednesdays, or we might start to co-oping
Help
another
me.
game pending. And apparently, Brett needs help.
Oh,
Can you
Jesus! Oh,
teleport?
Ah!
Teleport to me.
No, it's too late for that.
It's too late for me to commit to that.
I survived this bug, and it is chasing me. Oh, wait, no, move, Ollie! I froze it so I could move!
Hopefully, you are enjoying Brett's anguish right now.
I froze him in the middle of the pathway, so I couldn't move past him. Alright, I'm back. Shut up.
I feel more powerful.
I got a legendary, I don't care.
Worth.
Oh, I teleported you. That was an awful idea.
Teleport to me then.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, no. Oh, shit. There's a blood thief here.
That sounds bad.
Oh, it's really good, actually. Okay, you guys can actually run in and do stuff now, because I gave you a conduit. You actually do a lot of damage now.
Oh, goody.
For a short while.
Oh, goody. A conduit. What that is. Hello, friends.
I have
Hello!
no control
It's
now.
basically gonna one-shot anything that you come close to. Or should.
Sunshine, anything you come close to.
Oh, I just reminded my corpse. I'm gonna head back to the beginning, or just stay right here. Oh my god, that's gonna be a highlight. Hey Brett, just teleport to me.
I don't want no.
That's probably a good idea, honestly.
Oh,
Okay, teleport to me.
yay!
Fiery pit of doom.
I spawn and we all die. God damn it!
Spinning.
I have more control now.
I got legendary shoes. Or bracers.